Well, this was the 13th morning below zero in the West Lafayette area. And looking back at sub-zero days in the past, what are the years that we had the most? You go back to 1883-84, we had 29 days with the temperature at or below zero. Now, the real record breaker was in 1884-85. During that winter, we had 32 days below zero. And even back in 1962-63, a lot of people still talk about those winters in the 60s and 70s. And you can see 29 days in 62-63 and 76 and 77. Now, we are not even in the top 15, but we've still had, 13 days. And I think we'll keep creeping upward because we've got more in the forecast. We also have snow on the way. As a matter of fact, some accumulating snow coming in by tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and then ending on Sunday, and perhaps more next Friday night and into Saturday. And then the pattern will tend to change. We'll start to get some warmer days around here later on in the month. And I think we'll get more rain. So with all the snow melt and the rain, it's likely that rivers will get above flood stage once again. But tonight we'll drop below zero, then rise late. 3 below Lafayette, 5 below Monticello, and 7 below at Logansport. Tomorrow, we're in the upper teens to mid-20s, 23 Lafayette, 20 Monticello, and about 23 at Frankfort. Now, our storm is out here in California. You can see the plume of moisture that's feeding it. It's called the Pineapple Express. It's very deep tropical and subtropical moisture with origins near Hawaii, so they're getting welcome rainfall. But you'll notice on this map, there's a plume of moisture down here. This is pretty deep subtropical moisture too. So the storm's being fed by moisture from near Hawaii now. When it moves eastward, it's not going to be fed very much because where's this moisture going? It's kind of getting shunted southeastward. So it'll bring snow, but the deep moisture that could feed it and bring us a 4 to 8 inch snow won't be there. We're still going to get snow. It's just not winter storm type snow. It will turn cloudy tomorrow. This is 8 o'clock in the morning, and notice by afternoon the sun fades away, and we've got at least some snow coming in, mainly in our northern counties, by evening. That's 5:13, and then we'll have at least some snow showers around through the evening. I think the bulk of this is going to be overnight. This is 2:47 Saturday night or very early Sunday morning. And you can see a pretty steady snow even at around 5 o'clock in the morning, snowing at 8 o'clock, and the snow gradually pulls away Sunday afternoon, leaving behind generally 2 to 4 inches from about Earl Park, Kentland, Remington, Rochester, and Monticello, points northward, but Lafayette area, also Crawfordsville, Waveland, and Attica, all the way to Cyclone and Frankfort and Kirkland, about 1 to 2 inches. 7-day forecast, 10 on Monday, that's it. 3 more days below zero next week. And then perhaps a little more snow by next Friday night and into Saturday. But at least we've got a stretch there where we won't have snow for a change.
Yeah, and that put it in perspective. This year hasn't been all that bad. It just feels that way, right?
Yeah, it's, we've had the highest number of days below zero since 1982, but we're still not in the top 15 yet. So we're seeing the glass half.
All right. Sure. Have a great weekend.
Sure. You too?
It's Friday. That means the frenzy.
We've got a full one tonight. Hoosier Conference matchup between